Hello everyone, and welcome back to this channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting and unpredictable topics in finance, the future of crypto. Predictions and speculations. What will 2025 and beyond hold for cryptocurrencies? Will Bitcoin hit six figures? Could blockchain revolutionize everyday banking? Stick around, because we're breaking it all down with insights from experts and trends shaping the industry. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about the big picture. The crypto market has been on a wild ride, but many analysts are bullish about its growth. By the end of 2025, the total market cap could soar between $5 trillion and $7.5 trillion. That's massive! Stablecoins are expected to play a huge role, providing stability in an otherwise volatile space. Imagine a world where digital currencies are as common as your debit card. Now, onto the king of crypto, Bitcoin. Predictions for its price in 2025 are optimistic, with averages around $113,000. Some experts even see it growing toward parity with traditional stores of value like gold. Why? Because Bitcoin is becoming more than just a speculative asset, it's turning into reliable financial plumbing for the global economy. And with more Bitcoin ETFs launching, institutional money is pouring in, potentially keeping its hot streak alive. But Bitcoin isn't the only star. Ethereum, Solana, and other altcoins are poised for big gains too. Ethereum could boom thanks to its smart contract dominance, while Solana's speed makes it a favorite for DeFi and NFTs. We're talking about coins like Ripple for cross-border payments, and even emerging tokens that might surprise us all. The ongoing bull run is expected to strengthen, with trends pointing to more adoption in gaming, art, and beyond. However, not everything will moon. Meme coins and some altcoins might face boom and bust cycles, so choose wisely. Shifting gears to technology, blockchain is embedding deeper into real-world applications. In 2025, expect faster transactions and more integration with banking services. Crypto exchanges are evolving too. Think AI-driven trading, multi-chain support, and seamless DeFi features. This could make crypto more accessible, turning it from a niche hobby into everyday finance. Web3 innovations like decentralized social media and metaverses might finally go mainstream. Of course, no discussion on crypto's future is complete without regulations. Long-awaited clarity is on the horizon, especially in the US, which could boost confidence and attract more investors. But with great potential comes risks, volatility, hacks, and regulatory crackdowns. Speculations abound. Could quantum computing threaten encryption? Or will global adoption make crypto unstoppable? It's all part of the thrill! In summary, the future of crypto looks bright, with growth, innovation, and yes, some uncertainty. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just curious, now's the time to stay informed. What are your predictions? Drop them in the comments below! If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto insights, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching! See you in the next one!